today I'm going to talk about kind of the integrations that I've made from things that I've studied in the past and how I'm going to be moving forward from this point. So it seems that I have kind of integrated as much as I can from the past and history and kind of current experiences and this stuff moving forward. And I now have to push myself to make new connections in the development of the self-care kind of concept, and in this way being bold enough to make new statements or these new connections, and to bring things together as a whole. These things kind of moving forward will be a lot more new in nature, novel in their connections, but hopefully being able to bring together the depth of history and those concepts into a new light, and progress in this way of pursuing health. This is my goal. This is what I've been pursuing the whole time, and now it seems to be the appropriate time to kind of spread my own wings and fly, and take on challenges in this new light. And as self-care is always intertwined with personal growth and self-development along the way, being a professional or practitioner of self-care, I too must go through these changes, and therefore be able to lead others through these changes. And now is the time to take this on fully, and hopefully moving forward we will have some new experiences together and be able to build towards a health that seeks the potential of the individual, and brings out the potential in the individual, and not just solve for what we're capable at the moment, because that is most comfortable. We do have to push ourselves to become all that we are capable of, and in this way having a health model, in my opinion, that does so, that guides the person to that potential and allows them to experience it for themselves and as self-directed, is going to lead to a larger fulfillment of each person, and therefore a greater achievement of health. Thank you very much for listening. I just wanted to put that out there, so moving forward that you are ready to be open-minded and take on this challenge with me as well. Thank you.